Young lady, how are you feeling tonight, ma'am? Number 3.
I feel good because seeing my family, friends, and my loved ones here supporting me tonight is already.
Wow, it's already a winning moment for her. Seeing all you, kaya mag-ingay para sa mga supporters ng candidate number 3. She's doing well, and she feels like a winner tonight because of all of you. And now, I think you're very much ready. Alright, are you ready to answer the question? Yes, she is definitely ready. Now you may pick your question. You may read it once, then I will read it again to you twice, and then you can answer your question. Alright, please read it for our audience.
The municipal tagline, Basta Carles the Best, claims a standard of excellence beyond the beautiful islands and the abundant sea. What is about the Carlesinho spirit, especially in Barangay Abong, that you consider truly the best?
Alright, for our audience, her question goes, the municipal tagline, Basta Carles the Best, claims a standard of excellence. Beyond the beautiful islands and the abundant seafood, what is it about the Carlesinho spirit, especially in Barangay Abong, that you consider truly the best? Again, the municipal tagline, Basta Carles the Best, claims a standard of excellence. Beyond the beautiful islands and abundant seafood, what is it about the Carlesinho spirit, especially in Barangay Abong, that you consider truly the best?
I grew up in Barangay Abong, where farming and fishing are not just work, but a way of living that teaches us patience, resilience, and pride. So instead of leaving this behind, I will use my voice, even in social media, to honor and uplift this profession because they feed our people and shape who we are. As I lean eyes sa Abong 2026, I will always carry these values and advocate for programs that ensure fair opportunities and support for our farmers and fisherfolk so they can live with dignity and progress. Because when we rise together, share our blessing, and take pride in who we are, ipabatyag kugid ang kada tinaga nga Basta Carles the Best. Hindi lang inihambal, kundi espiritu sa pagbinuligay, habakod, pagbugal sa pagkakayasenyo, nagyadala namon adlaw-adlaw, pag-among gitini ang pinakadako namon nga handog sa sini nga kalibutan. Maayong gabi, kag madamo gid nga salamat.
Number 2, I want to hear it from all of you.